Hi class, I hope you enjoyed the book It's Raining, It's Pouring, and I hope that you found lots and lots of rhyming words in this book. What I want you to do now is I want you to get your reader's notebooks and open it up to a fresh page. So the next fresh page. So I worked on this page, I'm going to close it and I'm going to go to my next fresh page, and I want you to record all the different kinds of weather that you heard about in the book. So I might draw a picture of rainy weather, and then I would try and write it on my own, raining, or I could have my parent or whoever's helping me with my online learning write it down, but I want you to try and copy it. So if you don't write it down yourself, I want you to try and copy it. A tip or trick for a parent is to write the word down on a sticky note and then have them copy it on their page so that their writing is on their page. I hope you enjoyed the book as much as I did. You can have your parent or the person who's helping you maybe help you learn the poem or the nursery rhyme, It's Raining, It's Pouring. Have a great day.